Hi there, U.S. government students. I just realized that we're missing our video. Long story about it, but let me put this one up quick. First of all, today, Tuesday, September 17th, Constitution Day. Happy Constitution Day. And you can do a little more research into that. We don't do anything special in this class because this whole class is about the Constitution, really. So, but anyways, happy Constitution Day. You are going to do the power versus authority assignment to start, and then get into the Bill of Rights discussion board. Make sure you've looked at the website and watched the video before getting into that discussion board. And you'll complete that over Tuesday through Thursday, at least your post and up through your first reply. Friday is considered a student non-contact day. You don't need to log in or anything, but those of you who are a little bit behind might want to go and do that. Might actually spend a little time catching up. Weekend, and then of course everything due on Monday. Would like you to kind of take a peek at week 6. I put at the end of here, that's your Unit 1 final, so it's kind of a peek. You don't need to get it started yet, but just kind of look it over. So you have power versus authority assignment. As you do this, make sure on this assignment that you do it in the stages that it asks you to. Don't move ahead and try and do the whole thing at once. Do the first column, and if it would open up here, that would be great. Do the first column, the pre column first. Oh, look. A whole bunch of you have already done it, which is great. Boy, I am just getting something really slow going here. All right, we'll just wait for Word to slowly go about. But anyways, do the before reading according to each of the 4 statements, any comments, and then do the reading, and then do the after reading, agree or disagree. So make sure you do it in the steps that it outlines for you. Okay? And then discussion board. Make sure you get your discussion board posts done before the weekend, so before Friday in this case, so that your classmates have the opportunity to respond to you. Okay? That's about it for this week. And of course, you should be checking your grade book, going through updates, checking for any messages from me or other teachers, things like that. So let me know if you have any questions. Have a great one. Talk to you soon. Bye.